Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for Guyanese mango achar. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some habanero peppers. You can use any hot pepper for this. I have some green mango, some mustard oil. This is very important. You need mustard oil. You can use other oils, but it won't be the same. Here I have some salt, sugar, complete seasoning, garlic, some amchar masala, and some roasted geera. So to get started, I like to chop my peppers and the garlic super fine. So I'm using my chopper here. Chop it up and set it aside. Next, you want to go ahead and grate your mangoes with a coarse side of the grater. Once we are done, I'll show you what to do next. Next, you want to squeeze the juices out of the mango. Squeeze as much as you can and set that aside. Next, I added some mustard oil to my skillet and then I went in with my peppers and garlic. I also followed up with my amchar masala and geera. I added a little water to create a paste-like consistency, just like when you're making curry. So you want to fry this really well. You want to fry it for about 5 to 8 minutes or so until the oil starts to separate. If you don't fry this well, you will taste the raw masala and geera in there and it's not a pleasant taste. Next, you want to add your seasoning for flavor and taste. The salt also acts as a natural preservative. You want to taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. Now I will add the mangoes, give that a good toss, make sure it's well incorporated with the spices, and you want to allow this to stew down for about 15 minutes or so. You will stir occasionally, and this is basically it, guys. It is so simple to make and it is absolutely delicious. So here you have it, my version of mango achar. So you will allow this to cool down completely before you place it into your storing jar. So this is the storing jar I'll be using. You can find these at Dollar Tree if you are in the USA. And you want to add some mustard oil to this. You want to make sure that the achar is well saturated in mustard oil. It helps to preserve it and just keep it nice and fresh. So we will add that achar into the storing jar, and then we will add a little more oil over top. Like I said, you want to make sure it is well saturated. We will cover this and just place it into the fridge. Keeping it in the fridge, it will last and be, more fresh, but you can also keep it outside as well. So like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.